Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
good evening.
Good evening, Sonia. How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm doing excellent. Thank you for asking. Oh, we did connect before, isn't it? Right? Oh, you're getting a call.
Hello.
Was that a call?
Yes.
Okay. Right. So I think previously we did connect once and we had to stop the session in between because you have to
Yeah,
leave.
yeah, right.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So I think you are from Nepal. Not sure where you're from. Right?
Kathmandu.
Kathmandu. Okay. All right. All right. Very nice. So how is your day going so far?
Yeah, today is Saturday, and Saturday is a holiday in Nepal.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
I forgot your occupation. I mean, what do you do for living?
Oh, I'm not doing anything. I'm not
All right.
working, but uh, yeah, I work a lot at Saturdays. I have to cook more.
Ha.
It's not my
Right.
holiday, but yeah,
Okay.
my
So
husband
uh,
and my kid.
okay. All right. All right. So how is life in Nepal? I think I have asked you this question before, but still, I'm so intrigued to know how life is over there.
Yeah, the weather is pleasant here because now you can
Uh-huh.
see me wearing sweater. So
Yes. Yes.
yeah, nice weather and yeah, it's
Okay.
quite good.
All right. All right. So how
Yeah.
often do
So
you come to
today is
India?
Shivratri. So in Kathmandu,
Yeah.
Pashupatinath is covered with flowers and all. So it was beautiful.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So Pashupatinath is a name of a place, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, temple.
Oh, it's a temple. Oh,
Pashupatinath
okay.
temple. Like
Wow. All right.
In India, Kedarnath and all.
Yes. 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 Right. Okay, wonderful. I'll definitely, research about this temple after the session. Okay, right. So, did you go to the temple today? I
Not
can see the
today.
chandan on your forehead. Is
I
that a
did
chandan?
worship
No?
at home only. I
Okay.
didn't went Pashupatinath. I went 2 days ago.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Okay. All right. All right. Fine. So, I think Tibet is close by, isn't it? Is Tibet close by?
In Nepal?
No, not Nepal. Tibet is in the borders of China, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah,
So,
but we are in Kathmandu, so not near Kathmandu.
okay.
Yeah.
Right. The reason I asked is because Kailash is in Tibet, and I've always wanted to go to Kailash. So I just
Oh,
wanted to ask.
I think no one went yet there.
To Kailash. Well,
Kailash
there are
Parvat, right?
nobody has climbed the mountain, but
But
there are
yeah,
people
by
going.
helicopter. I thought you want to
Uh,
climb.
no, 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 no.
Okay,
Uh,
then.
yeah, right, right, right. Okay. So we do have a topic to discuss in today's session. I hope you have gone through the document, right?
Okay.
Have
What's
you
the
gone through
topic?
it?
No.
No, okay.
Sorry.
It's a very simple, very simple and easy to talk topic. It's about global issues.
Global issues.
Yes,
Okay.
right. So we'll just have a small discussion about global issues. All right. So,
Okay.
which global issue do you think is currently happening in the world?
Hmm. Recession?
Yeah. Yes. What are your thoughts about recession?
I think it occurred because of Corona and Russia and Ukraine's war.
Right. Right. Right.
So we
That's true.
all are, yeah. Whenever I hear talking, whenever my husband and my father-in-law talks about, there is no money in market in Nepal, banks are empty. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's why I know. So I think
Okay.
it affected every country. It's
Right.
affecting or
It is
affecting.
affecting. Affecting. Yeah. It is affecting every nation right now.
Yeah,
So
every
India
nation
is
right
being
now.
affected. India is being affected, right?
Yeah.
I'm actually working in the IT industry, and I know that a lot of people are getting laid off from work just because of the
Yeah.
recession. Yeah. So this is what is happening around the globe, and people are trying to overcome it. A
Yes.
lot of world leaders, they're trying to somehow get rid of this situation. So how do you think our world leaders is handling such a situation?
Sorry.
Our world leaders, the prime ministers of different countries, how are they really, handling the situation?
Mm, Our prime minister is handling very well. I don't know others. I believe
Okay,
that.
so like when you say our prime minister, are you talking about the prime minister of Nepal or India?
No, India. I am from India, na.
Yeah, you're from India, but you're living in Nepal, so I just thought you were referring to the person in Nepal.
No, I'm talking about India.
Okay, okay, right. So I mean, yeah, he's handling it quite well. Even I am of
Yeah.
the same opinion that he's doing really well, and our economy, Indian economy, has not been affected so drastically.
He built a good relationship with other countries. So
Yes,
yeah,
yes, he has
he's a
definitely done
genius.
that. Right.
Yeah.
What about the situation in Nepal? Is there a crisis in Nepal right now?
Not it's not crisis, like, but yeah, people are suffering. They
Hmm.
have they are lots of people lost their jobs.
Right.
So yeah, situation are not that good. Marketplaces are empty nowadays. There is no
Uh-huh.
sales. So
Right.
yeah,
Right. Right. Okay. So that's how it is. So, like, do you think that we will be able to overcome the situation?
of course.
Okay.
we
All right.
we always do that.
Yeah, that's
Like
true.
when we got a corona situation, we got get over from that situation too.
Yeah.
To
Yeah,
or
that's
from
right. Huh? Sorry?
go get over to or get over from
Oh, you have to say got over. Past tense, right?
got over
Uh, got over from the
from
situation.
okay,
From the
got over
situation.
from
Yeah,
that
yeah.
situation. Okay.
Right, right, right. Yeah. So, like,
Yeah.
I feel that you're getting confused somewhere when framing
Yeah.
sentences. But
In
yeah, just this minor issue, is there with you. Otherwise, I think you're doing a fantastic job. As you're speaking so beautifully. Like I'm able to understand everything. Okay, so like
okay.
you're getting confused at places, but you know the answers. I mean, you know which word is to be used in these phrases.
Yeah.
These sentences. Okay, so confidently just speak. I mean, it doesn't
Yeah.
matter if
Last time a tutor said you make mistakes. You make mistake without knowingly, like you don't know how to speak, but with a
exactly.
flow you just speak up. You don't
Huh.
attention. What are you saying? What are you using? What words are you using? So that's why
Yeah.
she
Yeah.
said you have to focus.
Well, honestly speaking, I couldn't really notice any errors in your speech so far. All right, except for some minor issues. I don't think that
Yeah.
it's a very. I believe that the errors that you made today were just very negligible. I mean, you can just we shouldn't like consider that as errors. So that's all. I think you are just confusing yourself sometimes. But I think you should just work on the confidence part, and also you can build your vocabulary. That is one thing,
Yeah.
right? But when it comes to sentence formation or sentence structuring, I think you have it. Like you can do it. All right. So
Okay.
with more
Okay.
practice, I'm sure that you can become an excellent speaker. There is no doubt about it, right? So in
I know
Nepal,
this is because of lack of practice. Practice. Sorry.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. That is what I feel, right? So in Nepal, do you have like a English speaking environment over there?
No, I only speak on Clapingo.
Right. That is where it needs some assistance. Like
Yeah.
you will have to speak more whenever you can, right? Maybe if there is nobody to talk around, I mean, if you don't have a person to like talk in English to, you can speak to yourself. Have you have you been doing that?
In front of mirror.
It can be in front of mirror, or else if you're doing some work.
So
Let's say,
the
oh,
Divyam's
huh?
friends are calling again and again. My son's friends.
Oh, okay, all right. Okay. Hello.
Sorry.
Say hello. Come here.
Hello.
Hi. Hi, Divyam, right?
Hi.
Divyam.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? My name is Rohit.
I'm also good.
Okay, very good. Which class are you studying in, Divyam? Hello. Tell me.
What?
Which
I'm in
class are you studying
grade
in?
one. Grade one.
Grade one. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Right. Fine. He's so cute.
He loves.
Okay. He loves to talk. Okay. Well, I mean, his friends are constantly calling on the
Yes.
phone. Right, right. It's fine. It's the weekend, so kids are just enjoying themselves. Anyways, so I think we only have a few minutes remaining, so I'll just give you a few tips which can help you to improve your language.
Okay.
Right. So as I said earlier, you can definitely work on the vocabulary part. So try to learn at least 5 to 10 new words every day. All right.
Okay.
So it can be randomly chosen from. That is, you can pick those words from anywhere. You can just Google those words. All right, and try to get their meanings and also frame sentences with those words that you've learned. All right. And whenever you are doing some household chores or cooking or whatever it is, you can speak to yourself. Okay. Try to speak to yourself and do use these terms that you've learned. So what
Okay.
happens is that you will these words will be registered in your mind, and the next time you have an opportunity to speak, it will automatically come out. All right. So
Yeah.
choose a few advanced terms, all right, and then try to bring them up while you're conversing with someone, and also along with that you can learn a few phrases or idioms. Okay,
Okay.
right. So if I can tell you
There
a
is a little confusion in a
okay
phrase. Idiom. I think it's a idiom. Uh,
idioms.
Raining cats and dogs.
That's an idiom.
Yeah. So a person is asking me, is it true? Because he saw in a interview
Yeah,
that native speakers are telling that they won't use that idiom.
they won't use it. Oh, well,
Yeah.
there are idioms which native speakers may or may not use. I'm not aware of it, but there are some idioms that are what do you call regularly used by everyone.
Okay.
Okay, so I could tell you a few of them. So one is once in a blue moon. That is one
Once
idiom.
in a blue moon. Okay.
Are you aware of it? Like, do you know the meaning of it?
Like my mother-in-law goes out once in a blue moon.
Yes, yes, exactly. That's correct. Right. So very rarely, if you want to describe something that happens very rarely, like you could use this idiom, right? So like when you say that, when you include these kind of idioms in your conversations, what happens is that you become very effective. Like you become an effective speaker. The one who is hearing you will be very impressed by your usage of these phrases. Okay. So
Okay.
such phrases can be used like when you're speaking, okay, or when you're conveying a thought to another person. Okay. So this is something that you know, I would want you to practice on. And apart from that, just try to watch a lot of English contents from YouTube or from other websites or anywhere. Like internet is full of like very good contents. So like
Yeah.
go for it. Like in your free time, you can just watch a few random YouTube videos, right? And then you can learn a lot from it. So you could go for some interviews, some online interviews, or like talk shows. There are so many English talk shows available, right? So
Yeah.
just watch them, and you will be able to learn a lot. You know, the
Okay.
native speakers, they use a lot of good words, right? And you can just bring those words into your conversations, which will make you a very advanced speaker. So that is what you can do. Okay.
Yeah. I watch some videos, and then I I was like, I will try this word, and when I have to
Yeah.
try, I just forgot the word.
That's why you have to note it down somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay. Just take a piece of paper and you can note those words down, right? So that you can just recall whatever you have learned, right?
Okay.
That
Okay.
would be okay. And yeah, do you have the habit of reading?
Sorry,
Do you have the habit of reading? Are you an avid reader?
reading.
Yes.
I have some books, but I don't read regularly.
Okay, that doesn't matter. Like if you get time, try to read, a few pages every day, if possible, because reading can enhance your speaking abilities. So
I
you
read
could.
stories for my son.
Huh.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. All right.
yeah.
Storybooks. I don't know if it will contain a lot of very good terms. That is the
No,
problem.
not good for vocabulary, but yeah.
That is what. Right. So like the main agenda for reading books is to like you have to learn more words. Okay, that is the main
Yeah,
goal. So if you can read some novels or some fictional books, non-fictional, anything is fine, but not storybooks. Storybooks, I mean, let your son read it. I mean, you can read something else. All right.
yeah.
Okay. Right. So, is there anything else? Any doubts? Any clarifications that is required? So I think we are down to the last minute of the session.
So we have to use the or the, like when vowels
Huh. Oh,
like sun. So these are
sorry. I couldn't hear that. Your voice.
THE, THE.
The.
The, but before vowel we have to say the, right?
The, right. Yeah, exactly.
Like
That is
sun, before sun we have to use the sun.
the sun. Yeah, the sun. Right. That is correct.
Okay.
Yeah, just the pronunciation, like it differs a little bit. Like,
Changes.
that's all. That is it.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So the thing is, like, you don't have to like be very conscious about it. I mean, you are saying it correctly, right? You know it.
Okay.
It's like when you become so conscious, you will always doubt yourself if I'm doing it right or wrong. So like, I don't think that you need to like be very conscious about it. Just speak confidently, and that's it.